division. How many are in each group? That's the question we're going to answer today. There are 12 cookies on the counter. Picturing these nice 12 cookies sitting on the counter. If you are sharing the cookies equally among 3 bags, how many cookies will go in each bag? Let's look at a couple keywords. You have each. Each, when you see it in a word problem, either means one of two things. You're going to multiply or divide. So we know that. It says if you are sharing. So I'm sharing the cookies equally. Equal sharing is division. When I am equally sharing something, that means I'm going to divide. When I picture this in my head, I picture it like this. I would draw 3 bags. 1, 2, 3. Because I'm equally sharing among 3 bags. Now I go back to my cookies. There are 12. So all I do is I count up the 12, equally sharing, one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And it works out where each bag has the same amount, which means I've shared equally, and each bag has 4. So to write that, I write 12 divided by, that's the division symbol, 3 equals 4. That's what this picture shows me. 12 divided into 3 bags equals 4. Let's take a look at a few more examples. In this case, we're going to use counters and the number of equal groups. We're going to fill in this chart. Say I had 12 counters, just like before where 12 cookies. But this time I'm putting them into 2 equal groups. Well, in that case, you just draw 2. 1, 2 circles. And then you just put counters in there. And I count up to 12, equal sharing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have counted to 12. I have 6 here and 6 here. So I've done equal sharing. I've done this correct. And now I know that 12 divided by 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So the number in each group is 6. 24 divided by 6 now. So in this case, I'll need 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's divide or share that 24 equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. I finished at 24. I look, all of them have the exact same amount. That is 4. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. But this reminds me of something else I've done where I had groups and I counted up, except I did it the reverse. I knew that I was putting 4 in each group last time. I knew the 4 and I knew the 6, and then when I filled in all the circles, I had 24. So it's like, what is that? What's the reverse of division? If I have these two and I get that 24 total. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. We have 4 in each group. Let's look at the next slide. I'm going to go back to that 12 divided by 2 problem. When you write a division sentence, 12, that big number, is called your dividend. The little number that it's being divided by is called your divisor. It's the one doing the dividing. And then your answer is called your quotient. This relates to multiplication in that 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Well, we also know that 6 times 2 equals 12. You have your factors, 6 and 2, and then your product of 12. The product becomes your dividend. The factors can become your divisor or your quotient, and you can actually flip them around. Just like in multiplication, you can flip them around. Let's look at a fact family. You might take the problem 24 divided by 6 equals 4. Great. Well, did you know that 24 divided by 4 equals 6? And 6 times 4 equals 24? And 4 times 6 equals 24. I took the numbers 24, 6, and 4 and was able to create a multiplication and division fact family where you have 4 different multiplication or division problems and they all use the same 3 numbers. I can explain division as a set of objects split into equal groups. Linda picked 48 flowers. She placed them equally into 8 vases. Oh wow, I'm already seeing equal sharing. How many flowers are in each vase? Equal in each, it's going to be multiplication or division. Based on this 48, I would say it's going to be division. Linda picked 48 flowers. She placed them equally into 8 vases. How many flowers are in each vase?